ride with some motorcycle buddies here. Di na kami follow mo. So, we're off to Santa Maria, Davao del Sur. Yan sila mga kasama namin, except na mga bata. We are now in Malita, I think. Going to Malita. So, this is the view. So fascinating. Parang sleeping dinosaur of Matli din. So, this is our team right now. We're here at Santa Maria, Little Boracay. So nice, so nice. Now going to Paradise Island over there sa likod ng mga bato na yan. Ito ang sasakyan namin. Yeah. Going to Paradise. Okay, going na. Pasakay na ng bangka. Paradise Island. Powdery na sandwiches. Kami lang ang tao dito. Nice ang water. Very clear. Maalat masyado ang dagat. Oh, so nice. We'll take a dip later. Creepy. Kanilang sementeryo. Oh, may mga pangalan. Oh, creepy.